Yes. You may be a kindergartner or in the first grade. Second graders, do you hear me?
Yes.
Just put your hands up in the air. One thing that I found, guess what? We gon' work and keep on digging on them letter sounds. Ow! I'm over here. No, I'm not. I'm over there. Yeah, put your hands in the air and think them like you just don't care. Dig this. If AT is at, a B makes it
That.
If AT is at, then C makes it If OG is all, F makes it
No.
Yeah. If OG is all, then a D makes it
No.
You're right. If IT is it, S makes it
Six.
If IT is it, a K makes it
Kid.
Oh, don't you know it? If ET is at, a J makes it
Yeah.
Oh, I'm digging on this. I really like it. You go ahead to the rock to the left and rock to the right. Yeah. OAT is on, L makes it You better believe it. If OAT is on, F makes it You better believe it. Makes it on. If ING is in, TH makes it Sing. If ING is ing, F makes it
Sing.
You better believe it. Brother Kill says that you're a genius, and you should know that you're smart. One thing I want you to do is just keep on digging on them letter sounds. All right? Now, this I want you to do. I want you to take it down and take it up. Take it down and up. Take it down and take it up. Take it down and take it up. All right? Now, real quick, if AT is at, a B makes it If AT is at, a C makes it If IT is it, a S makes it If ET is at, a G makes it If ET is at, a J makes it You better believe it. Now let me see you dig on the left side. Go with it. Let me see you rock it. Rock it. Oh, y'all, come on. They don't want to do it. Show them, girl. Come and show them. Go. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Warm it up, girl. Yeah. Let me see you come on like this. Oh, don't come here. Okay, come on. I know you're ready. Come on, you're going too slow. Going too slow. I got to go to somebody else. Go ahead and let me see the digging on letter sounds. Let me hear it. Can't stand there, you gotta make something happen. No, man, now this is when you can do all that you was doing back there. Come on, sweetheart, let's go. Real quick. Come on, man, come on. You gotta come on.